Welcome to a Database a Day. I want to share with you today core math and science skills PrepStep. PrepStep you'll see also has core English skills, also talks about career preparation. If you go up to find databases by subject, we actually have a section called Test Prep, and you'll see this here as well if you need to find it in that way. This is a database that helps students and provides them with some support. This is specific to math and science skills. It has these topics: data, graphs, statistics, fractions, mixed numbers, geometry, measurement percentages, and all those types of things. Now, as a user, you will need to sign in and register and create your own account through Big Ben, but from there, you can reach all sorts of things like tutorials, test practices, explanations, and a full richnesses of support. I hope you use it, and if you don't use it, please share it. This has been a Database a Day, and may